Yeah. You ready? I'm Chef Thomas Keller. I'm here to celebrate our new cutlery collection from Kangshan. And I'm going to answer some of your most common questions about knife skills on the internet.
People on the internet want to know, how can I improve my knife skills?
Okay, how do you get to Carnegie Hall? Practice, practice, practice.
And what are the basic knife cuts?
Basic knife cuts. You have slicing, you have dicing, you have chopping, you have matignon, which is a cube, you have allumette, which looks like a matchstick, and you have batons. All French techniques.
And here's a good one. How do you not cry when cutting onions?
Chop them really, really fast.
Okay, now what's the difference between chopping and dicing?
Chopping is not uniform, where dicing you want to have nice uniform pieces.
And people are searching, what are knife skills?
Knife skills are you practicing the different elements of using a knife, whether that's holding a knife, sharpening a knife, honing a knife, using a knife to slice, to dice, to chop, those kinds of things. So those are what you need to be able to do to continue to practice and hone your knife skills.